Hey guys, welcome back to Kia B here. So I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I'm gonna come show you guys how I take care of my shave sides, how I keep the back from bumping up, how I keep my scalp from creating dark spots, because if you're gonna be rocking your hair pretty much shaved, you want to make sure it's clean, you don't have any bumps or things like that. Now what I use is I usually, matter of fact, okay, first off, I usually do this like the first couple of days I get my hair, once I get my hair cut, and then after a while, once my hair starts growing back, I really don't have to do anything to it, but kind of just keep it moisturized. I do use oil on my hair, but I do have dandruff. I've always had dandruff, and it seemed like since I cut my first set of locks and restarted this set of locks and been rocking my hair shaved, my dandruff has been a little bit worse. So instead of using oil, I've been using this sulfur 8 medicated yarn. It feels so good on my scalp, so I've been using this on my scalp instead of oil because this is more effective right now. So this is what I've been using. As far as cleaning, the first thing you want to do is you want to clean your scalp area. So from here down in the back, you want to clean it. And what I use is, I like to use either African black soap, or I have it in this container where I used to have black soap in, but I like to use Neutrogena acne prone bar, and you can, this is like $1.99 at Walmart. I like to use this to wash my areas, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Okay, so after you wash, you can use whatever technique you use. Usually, I mean, mainly when it comes to like your shave sides, like you kind of want to treat it just like you treat your face, you know what I mean, and the rest of your body, because it's skin, so you want to keep it looking fresh, you want to keep it looking good. You don't want it breaking out, dark spots or things like that. So after I do that, my next step that I like to do is I like to actually apply Noxzema to my sides in the back, and get in the shower and then rinse it off. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I just start here and go all the way around. And I like to use Noxzema because if you do experience any bumps or like that, the Noxzema is actually going to dry it out. So I like to use Noxzema. You can actually use any mask or anything that you want to use, but the Noxzema works for me. So this is what it looks like. And I'm actually going to leave this on my hair while I take a shower. I'll rinse it off while I'm in the shower before I get out, and then I'll come back and show you guys the last step that I do after the Noxzema process. And also, when you're applying the Noxzema, you want to make sure you go all the way down, because this is usually right here around the perimeter is where people usually experience their like razor bumps and breakouts and things like that. So you want to make sure you go all the way down to the perimeter area. Like I said, I'm going to jump in the shower and then I'll come back and show you guys my last step. Okay guys, so I'm back and I washed the Noxzema off while I was in the shower. The next step that I'm going to do is to apply some toner, and I just use the same toner that I use on my face, and this is by The Ordinary. And focus on those areas that's like super low, where like if you're doing like a low fade or something like that, you really want to focus on those areas. If you have a lot of hair, when you get a cut, like you kind of just get it cut down but not really faded or anything like that, then you want to really focus on like the perimeter area. But because I like to get my hair cut low, I like to focus on majority of the shaved area. So all right, so once I apply the toner, I like to use tea tree oil. And then after the tea tree oil, I follow up with my sulfur 8. And you guys don't have to use sulfur 8. You can use whatever you want. And that's it, y'all. That's how I take care of my shaved side. After that, I just like to apply a bonnet on top like this. But anyways, y'all, that is my shaved sides routine. That's how I keep my skin clean, not, you know, no razor bumps or anything like that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.